So, your PS3 disc isn't working. Well, I got mine right here. This is Call of Duty Black Ops 1. Great game. And I put it in the other day, and it wasn't working. So, I decided to show you how to actually fix this issue.
First things first, you want to head outside and then clean off the disc with your hose. Alright, this next step, you're going to want to be really gentle, make sure you're really careful, and just gently start tapping your disc. Maybe your hands didn't do the job quite correctly. That's why you're going to need to grab a hammer.
So what you're going to want to do is...
What the heck did you just done?
So just start gently tapping the disc with your hammer. This is so all the chipped pieces can go back together. Now you want to go back outside. You're going to want to turn on your grill, and if you don't have a grill, that's fine, you can always just use a stove. Once you got your disc on top of the grill, make sure to cook it to a crisp. There's one step that I'm not going to show, but it's optional. You can put salt and pepper on your disc. It'll work just fine. In fact, it'll probably boost the graphics and the frame rate. Don't forget them buns. After you're done grilling, you're going to want to head back inside and start preparing your delicious burger. My favorite condiments would be mayo and relish on all my hamburgers. So I'm going to do that. So just put a little bit on your hamburger, not a whole lot.
Yeah. That's a reasonable amount of mayonnaise. Then next you're going to want to take your other condiment. Alright, so there. Alright, so you're going to want to head back outside and take your hammer you had before, or a different hammer, I don't really care, and just gently tap it. Do that about 6 times, and yep, alright, that should be good. Now, you've ruined your disc. Alright, so you have your disc pieces. Now, the next step is really simple. You just have to glue the pieces back together. So let's go get a glue stick. Alright, so I'm back. I couldn't find glue, but I did find tape. Tape fixes everything from what I've heard. And so... Alright, so it's been a day, and just look at that. That looks amazing. Look at the back. Oh, look at that. It's flawless. Let's go test it out. Just give it a sec. Oh, there it is.
Oh wait. This isn't Black Ops 1. What is this?